Hi friends, today we'll discuss about loan to value ratio. So what is loan to value ratio? Ratio between loan amount and value of asset. See, for example, if a customer has taken a loan from bank and is given gold as a security, so gold will be asset for a bank. Gold loan is a asset for a bank. So that gold value is 1 lakh rupees and that loan as given to the customer is 75,000. So loan amount to the value of asset is 75%. Loan to value. What is the formula for calculating loan to value? Loan amount by asset value into 100. In this case 75,000 by 1 lakh into 100 is 75%. So how loan to value is important for a bank? For example, you are given a loan against gold. Gold will be 20 grams after removing the wastage and stones and all, 20 gram, and present rate is 5,000 rupees. So asset value is 1 lakh rupees and loan you have given as 75,000. So your LTV value is 75%. So current position is safe. Bank is safe. If something happens to the customer is not paying the amount, so you can sell your asset and you can get back your loan. For example, same 20 grams, suddenly gold rate has gone to 6,000 rupees. Now asset value is 1 lakh 20 and loan amount is 75,000. So loan to value is 62%. So you are in good position. Bank is in good position. Same gold rate has fallen to 4,000 rupees. Now your asset value is 80,000 and your loan value is 75,000. So loan to value is 93%. So you are in a bad situation. So in this situation, bank will approach the customer and they will request, see, we have given 75,000 rupees against 20 grams gold. Now rate is 80,000. You repay the loan or you repay partial amount. Otherwise, we'll sell the gold and we'll adjust our loan. If why bank will take decision in this point is, tomorrow the same 20 grams gold rate has gone to 3,500. Now your asset value is 70,000 and your loan amount is 75,000. Now what is the loan to value? Is 107 percentage. So suddenly customer has defaulted, is not paying. If you sell the gold also, you will not get your loan amount. So this is loss for a bank. So all the loans, they'll regularly bank will verify the LTV value. LTV movement should be observed for gold, shares, securities regularly. If sudden fall is there, bank has to take a decision and sell the assets and recover the money. Thank you.